Hi, my name is Dominic. I'm a senior event manager for DyeMansion, and I welcome you at our booth. Our booth is right next to the HP booth, and that's for a reason, because we are doing post-processing, and that builds on the HP technology and the HP 3D printing. And together, we make 3D printing really successful. Our technology adds the finish, the surface, and the coloring to the HP printed parts, and they turn out great, as you can see in this really cool and bright application. HP and us, we partnered some years ago, and our partnership is really successful, and we are really happy about that. And to dive a little more into the application side and what we actually do is, I bring in our application consultant, Emily Simpson, and she will tell you a little more about it.
Hi, my name is Emily, and I'm an application engineer at DyeMansion. We are here at Formnext 2025, and we are excited about our partnership with HP. We, as DyeMansion, offer cleaning, surfacing, and coloring of 3D printed parts, especially those parts from HP. If we look at our color wall up here, we have a variety of solutions for adding colors, whether that is in healthcare, defense, or consumer applications. We have our colors that range for materials such as PA12 gray, PA12 white, light gray, and even PA12 smooth. Some of the applications that we specialize with are in healthcare. The 3D printing side needs to be biocompatible as well as the post-processing side. The solutions from HP and DyeMansion are a perfect fit for healthcare applications. The printing as well as the coloring are going to be biocompatible and safe for everyday wear and including healthcare applications.
Another really cool gadget that you can find here this year at Formnext 2025 at our booth is the HP and Dimension letter stand. And what you can see here are a variety of bright colors that we used to dye these letters. So come by, you're welcomed at our booth. Uh, take, take a letter from this stand to hang it on your keychain or bring it home to your loved ones. This is just another really cool example for our great collaboration with HP, and we are really looking forward to future ones.